Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove CapCut watermark. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut application and I have created a project as well. And we're going to practice how we can remove the watermark that usually appear on our video. This is the watermark, so if you want to remove this watermark, you just need to tap on the watermark like this. Then you just need to click on delete. Okay, now the watermark has been removed, but if you create a new project, the watermark will appear again on your video. So I'll be showing you how to eliminate this watermark automatically. So we can go to the CapCut homepage. Go to the homepage and you can go to the CapCut settings right here guys on the top right corner of your screen. Then after that, you just need to select this one. You can tap on the circle button to turn off the default ending. You can tap on this toggle button, then click on discard. Okay, and after you activate after you turn off the default ending, the watermark won't appear again on your CapCut project. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove watermark in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.